Hello students, welcome back to the Python session. Let's continue our discussion with the operators in Python. In previous video we have already covered the arithmetic operators and relational operators. Now let's look at the logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine more than one relational operators. So we have three logical operators. One is OR, and second one is and not. These OR and are binary operators, that means two operands needed for its operation, and not is unary operator, that means only one operand needed. Let's see the OR operator first. Let's see the truth table first. Look at the truth table. If it needs two operands, this is the first value and this is the second value. This is the result. This is the result. Let's see the result. So here only one false value. That means if both the left hand side and the right hand side both are false, then it gives out the result false. In all other case it gives true value. That means any of the input is true, then the answer will also be is true. Look at this example, 45 greater than 6. 45 is definitely greater than 6, so it is true. It is true. Then 7 greater than 9, it is false. Then true and false, definitely the answer is true because one true is already there. Now 45 less than 6, it is false. Then 7 greater than 6, that is also false. If both are false, in that case it gives the result false. Now let's see the AND operation. Look at the truth table. Here in this case only one true result here. That means if any of the input is false, it gives out the false result. That is AND. 45 greater than 6, it is true. 7 less than 9, that is also true, and both if it is true, then the answer is also true. Then 45 greater than 6, that is true, but 7 greater than 9, it's false. So the true and false, the answer is false. So any of the input is false, then it is false. Now let's see the not. Not means just the opposite, reverse of anything. If it is false, it becomes true. If it is true, it becomes false. Just the opposite of that. Now see this example. 4 equal to 4. 4 is definitely equal to 4. That is true. Not true means false. So that is why the answer false. Okay, now let's see the another set of operators, that are identity operators. It gives the identity. For is and is not, that are the identity operators. Let's see the example first. A equals 10, B is 10, then C equals 12. Then we are using the identity operator here. A is B. Is A B? Yes. 10, A is 10, B is also 10. So it is giving a true value there. Then A is C. A is 10, C is 12. So both are they equal? Is A is C? No. So it is giving the false value. Now is not is just the opposite of is. A is not C. A is not C. A is 10, C is 12. So it is checking A is not C. So that is correct. So it is giving true value. So this is the identity operators. Then now let's see the membership operators. Membership is checking whether that particular value is there in the given list or something. Okay, that membership operators are in and not in. Let's see that. Pet equals, in the square bracket, three values: dog, cat, fish. That means anything enclosed within square bracket is a list separated with commas values. So fox in pet, is fox is there in pet list? No. So it is giving false. Dog in pet, is dog there in pet list? Yes. So it is giving true value. Now let's see the not in. Not in is just the opposite of in. Fox not in pet. Fox, is that not in pet? Yes, it is not there. So it is true. Dog not in pet? Yeah, it's not true because dog is there. So dog is there. So you can't say that. So it is false. So this is the membership operator. Now let's see the assignment operator. We already know the assignment operator, that is the equal sign. Equal sign just assigns the value from the RHS to the LHS. Then we have some other assignment operator also. One is plus equals, minus equals, like that. So plus equals means, look at the example, x plus equals 2 means x equals x plus 2. This is equivalent to this one. So this is called a shorthand operator also. It reduces the typing. So programmers like to use these shorthand operators. Plus equals, star equals, slash equals, all can be used as this assignment operator. All the symbols, arithmetic operators can be used in this way also. Now let's see the precedence of operators, that means the priority. In the list is given higher one then to the lower. In that way we have arranged that. So look at this list. Star exponent have the higher priority, then high precedence to the low precedence it is arranged. Then comes our plus and minus, that is a unary plus and the minus. It is not binary, not the addition or subtraction. Unary minus means changing the sign. Negative, negative 3, minus 3, or minus of minus is positive, like that. Then comes the star, slash, modulus and all. Multiplication, division and all. Then comes our addition and subtraction. Then comparison operators, that is the relational operators, equality operator, relational equality operators, then the assignment operators, then logical operators. This is how the precedence, the high priority is arranged. So when we mix up the expressions together in an equation, you must be careful. If according to this law you need to arrange. If you want to change the priority, you can simply use the brackets, just like in maths. Put the bracket, you can change the priority. So that's all in this video. That's all about the operators. Thank you.